West Shelf project, situated on Australia's northwest continental shelf, is one of Australia's largest resource development projects and one of the world's biggest producers of gas. With more than 30 years of domestic gas production and over 25 years of liquefied natural gas exports, these world-class facilities, operated by Woodside, are renowned for their track record of safety, reliability and efficiency. Innovation is at the heart of the North West Shelf project. Throughout its history, the project has led the world through pioneering technology, including air-cooled LNG plants, big bore wells and modular construction. It was over 40 years ago that massive quantities of gas, condensate and oil were discovered in the Carnarvon Basin. Today, the North West Shelf project is a joint venture composed of 6 of the world's leading energy companies. The project is a major contributor to the Australian economy. It's the largest supplier of domestic gas in Western Australia and a leading exporter of LNG. It also supplies liquefied petroleum gas, condensate and crude oil for the international market. The integrated production system includes offshore production facilities and subsea infrastructure, onshore processing, storage and loading facilities, and an impressive LNG shipping fleet and supply base. In 1984, the North West Shelf project commissioned its first offshore platform, North Rankin A, which is still one of the largest capacity gas production platforms in the world. In 2008, a $5 billion Australian redevelopment project saw the installation of a second platform. Completed in October 2013, the 2 platforms now operate as a single integrated facility known as the North Rankin Complex. Located 130 kilometres northwest of Karratha, this substantial complex serves as the central hub of the offshore gas production system. Goodwin A, commissioned in 1995, is located over the condensate-rich Goodwin gas field. The Angel platform, commissioned in 2008, is designed to operate primarily as an unmanned facility, powered and controlled remotely from the North Rankin Complex. The Cossack, Winnea, Lambert and Hermes oil-rich fields feed into the Ocker floating production storage and offloading facility. The project participants continue to make disciplined investments, extending the life of the project through a series of low-cost phase developments. In late 2015, first gas was delivered ahead of schedule at the Greater Western Flank Phase 1 project, and a final investment decision was made on Greater Western Flank Phase 2, the 4th major gas development for the North West Shelf project in 7 years. Also underway is the Persephone project, the installation of a 2-well, 7-kilometre subsea tieback from the Persephone field to the existing North Rankin Complex. Onshore processing of the LNG, domestic gas, LPG and condensate takes place at the Karratha Gas Plant, an advanced integrated onshore gas production facility located on the Burrup Peninsula in the northwest of Western Australia. The plant, which is critical in delivering safe and reliable production for both Western Australia and international markets, has the capacity to produce almost 17 million tonnes of LNG a year and up to 630 terajoules of domestic gas a day, transported via pipeline to major industry users and customers in Perth and Western Australia. With its long history of reliable operations, the North West Shelf project offers a low-risk opportunity to third-party gas owners looking to commercialise their resources. A comprehensive refurbishment project known as the Karratha Life Extension Program aims to ensure that the high reliability and integrity of the plant continues well into the future. At the heart of the gas plant is the central control room. From here, everything involved with operating and maintaining the plant are controlled by a team of skilled technicians, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Located 2 kilometres south of the Karratha gas plant is the King Bay Supply Facility, used to store and distribute essential materials to support the shipping, offshore drilling and production assets. Supply vessels, tugboats and a pilot vessel service the ships docking at Withnell Bay Terminal. With 4 offshore production facilities and an LNG ship arriving on average every 1.5 days, it's a hive of activity. It takes hundreds of people to operate the North West Shelf project facilities, and many are based in the city of Karratha, home to around 25,000 residents. As operator of the North West Shelf project facilities, Woodside provides a workplace where health and safety is a top priority and proudly employs some of the most skilled people in the energy industry, from operations to engineering, logistics to health and safety, security to environmental management and community relations. Set against the backdrop of one of the world's oldest natural landscapes, the project takes its environmental obligations seriously and undertakes detailed planning and monitoring at all stages of exploration, development and production to ensure the values of the National Heritage listed Burrup Peninsula are preserved. This includes protecting the region's flora and fauna, which are ecologically important to the coastal zone and marine environment. The project's facilities are located within the Dampier Archipelago, or Murujuga, as it is known in the language of the local Nullamah Aboriginal people. The Dampier Archipelago is recognised for its ancient cultural heritage and values that are still very much alive today. The project acknowledges the Nullamah people as the traditional custodians of the area in which the facilities are based and pays respect to elders, past and present. A vital part of the Karratha community since 1984, the North West Shelf Project works with local community organisations and invests in programs focused on education, community amenity, youth and building Indigenous social, cultural and economic capacity. Since 2008, more than 50 million Australian dollars has been spent on social investment and infrastructure projects in the Pilbara region. Overlooking the Karratha gas plant is the popular North West Shelf Project Visitors Centre. Every year, over 10,000 people visit the centre to learn about Australia's largest operating resource development and the upstream energy industry in an interactive environment. The bold vision which saw the development of the North West Shelf Project in the 1980s was an extraordinary achievement for Australia's upstream energy industry. Today, natural gas is the fuel of choice for countries seeking cleaner energy sources for commercial and industrial development. Energy produced by the North West Shelf Project will continue to fuel development in Western Australia and around the world.